What's up, everybody? Steve here. Try before you buy. We're over in Bradenton Beach, this little resort called Trade Winds. It's pretty cool. These are like little bungalow deals, and they're vacation rentals right on the backwater here, but also right across the street is the beach, which I'll take you guys over there. Anyway, anytime we're looking for vacation rentals, I always want to try the property out before we purchase. We want to hang out at night, during the day. We want to see what's going on in the area, see if there's any riffraff, and that's what we're doing here today. We booked the exact unit that's on the market for sale as well, which is kind of cool. So we're able to really get a good idea about the product itself and any kind of issues. They probably need some new furniture in there as well, so already get an idea of what it's going to cost me to get it to a certain level that I want it to be for vacation rental. Don't know if the numbers don't work based on the the asking price of what they're asking on the property, so I know that we're gonna have to get it much lower. So I don't know if it's gonna work out or not. In any case, this see, it's right across the street to the beach here. In any case, it gives us an opportunity to come to this area and explore it, because if there's any other potential for vacation rental properties in this area of Bradenton Beach, then we already kind of know what's around it. Even last night we were able to walk from this unit to this little strip down here, and it's cool. There's some nice restaurants on the water, there's shops and bars and stuff like that, so it's all walking distance. I do like this area based on our experience so far. And also, this area is just south of Anna Maria Island, and Anna Maria Island is maybe a 7-minute drive north from here. Watch out for traffic. It's about a 7-minute drive north of here, and that's a really cool spot. It's kind of low-key, little sleepy town up there, and another area where it has cool restaurants and bars and on the water, on the beach, so it's a cool spot out there as well. So this has its own like little private beach with this deal. They're doing a beach renourishment project right now where they pump sand in to extend the beach out, but this whole deal is pretty cool. So anyway, they're asking $215,000 for this property. I wanted to see if there's, you know, any way that we can increase revenue in any sense, or, you know, just trying to talk to the on-site management company. All right, we ended up renting this thing, which is awesome. But let me give you a little tour of this place. Kind of a little beach bungalow. This is one building, but it's got 3 units. I like this because it does have its own little porch deal here. It's a simple floor plan. You got a pull-out couch here. Flooring's in good shape. Kitchen's in good shape. We did see a little water damage up here, so we need to address that. You got the bedroom, queen size bed. It's not bad. I would change out all this furniture, change this couch out as well, get rid of this table, all the wicker. I'd modernize it a little bit more. New wall art, new paint. Hey, what? Trying to do a film.
I'm trying to get dressed.
What?
I'm getting dressed.
This is going all over YouTube. There's my accomplice. Anyway, the bathroom's nice. I would show it to you if she wasn't aggressively taking over the bathroom. here again.
I 1000% would stay here again.
Okay. She's tough. What's your overall opinion of this complex?
I think where this particular unit is located makes a big difference. It's kind of prime because you're not too close to the road, so you're not hearing it. Even though there's large complexes behind us on both sides, you're not like bothered by that noise or anything.
Yeah, like the party that's happening over there.
Yes. So I think.
But what's your take on the overall feel of the complex?
I think it works. I think there's, you've got the bay right behind us, and then you've got the beach right across the street. Prime location. Complex doesn't offer much itself. Like, pool's pretty simple, but
I think it's got a beach bungalow kind of feel to it.
yeah, it reminds you of being like in Key West for sure.
I think that there's some deferred maintenance that they need to, either seal and stripe this parking lot and paint the curbs and stuff like that. But overall, it's a pretty cool feel. What's your overall opinion of where we're located?
Prime. I think it's prime location because again, you're right across the street from the beach, but also tons of restaurants, shopping options. Like, you're pretty central to everything, whether it's Anna Maria Island or Bradenton. So, what's that road called?
Bridge Street.
Bridge Street.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
Bridge Street.
I was surprised how easy of a walk it was for us.
Yeah, Bridge Street and downtown, like that little downtown Anna Maria Island area.
What's your impression of the beach?
Well, right now it's being restored. So I would say that overall, yeah, I like the beach here though, especially when they get that new sand all in. And
Yeah, and the water's nice too.
yep.
Yeah, I agree. If we bought this, would you want to come back to this place at least once a month?
Easily.
Yeah, me too. Well, I don't know if the numbers make sense on it right now in terms of what they're asking. I think the price is high. The market, I think, will shift in the future, but at least we got an idea if we make an offer on this, if it doesn't work out. We got an idea of this complex, and if prices go down in the future, then this is, we know what we're getting ourselves into.
I think the HOA fees would have to go down.
Yeah.
They're silly.
They're at like $625 a month for how small of a place this is. Like, where's the money going? So
Yeah.
I need to dig into the financials to find out what's the deal, because insurance can't be that big. I mean, that's one of the main expenses, but what else do they have for expenses here?
There's no other amenities except the pool and the
Yeah.
pavement, so the parking.
And landscaping, but it's pretty minimal.
Yeah. Which
Final thoughts?
I like the unit for sure. I like the unit and location.
Buy it. We'll go back to the office and analyze some numbers and see where we're going to be at with making an offer. They're probably not going to like our offer. The real estate market is hot, as they say it, and I'm just not going to be willing to overpay for property in this market. But it doesn't stop me from making offers.